Now last video we just completed till this, right? So today finally is the last part of our video, which is this footer part, right? Let me open the Epic Pen. So for creating the footer, what we should do, Epic Pen just delays a bit, you know all, right? So for creating this, what we should do, we should create at first a full parent container, right? Full parent container like this. Let me take some time. A full parent container. Inside this, as you can see that there are two parts, actually three parts. One is this part, so this can be one div, right? One is this part, let me change the color. One is this part, right? And other is this part, this bottom part, right? These are the three parts of the parent, right? So, and further if we will divide this, we can see that this part also have two parts. One is the upper part and one is the lower part, right? So all together there are how many divs we have to make? We have to make one and two, actually one, then 2, 3, 4 the child divs. Inside the child divs also, the right side we have to make again two divs, right? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 divs we have to make, right? So let's make it. Let's make the 5 divs at first. So at first let me make inside the footer, let me make a footer here. I have made the footer. Okay, footer was the main div, right? Footer was the main div. Inside that footer I will make another div which will contain the full upper part. Why I am making this div? I'm telling you, wait, let me go to that part. So this is actually the whole part, right? This is actually the whole part, right? This is actually the whole part. Now these two divs I want side by side. These two divs I want side, only these two divs, not the third div, right? Third div where it is, I want there only. For that I have to what is that word? I need to wrap this two left and right divs in one container in order to make them side by side. Are you getting my point? I have three parts in this div, right? I have actually three parts like this. I have three parts, right? I have three parts. By default nature, all the divs should come like this, right? All the divs should come like this by default nature. But if I will put, and this is in the container, wait, let me first finish this. So if I just want this two to come side by side, I can't do the whole container to be flex, because if I will do whole container as flex, then the whole thing will come side by side. But I don't want that. I want only these two to come side by side. For that reason, I need to wrap them in another div in order to make this div, only this div as flex, and this will be the rest of the part will be as it is in the bottom. Do you get my point? I think you have got it. I'm assuming that. Okay, so in that div I will write it as a ID. I will give it as a upper container. Inside this div there will be div, two divs, right? And one div will be ID will be left part, and other side will be right part. And when I will be coming out of this div, I will be having the last div which will be in the bottom, that is ID. I can give it as a bottom container. Now it's in good hands, right? Now let me give some styles in the footer. So footer, I will be giving it, the width will be 100 VW. Height is the main thing. Height can be 50 VH, I don't know. Background color, I have to select the background color using the color picker. This is going to be copy. Sorry, I don't want OBS Studios now, and paste. I think it's done. I don't know why for this Flipkart clone my live server is going a bit slow. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good, right? But I think it's a bit, I don't want this much also height. Let me give it as 40 VH. I think that will be enough. Yeah, this is enough, right? But the thing is, the right scroller is coming, right? I don't want the right scroller, so let me give the height to be 100% only. I think that will be done. Yeah, 100%. The live server is disturbing for me. So inside this div, as I said that I have created, this is a parent div, right? This is a parent div. So inside this div I have already created two parts, not this much, actually, like this, two parts. One is the upper part, one is the bottom part. And inside this div also I have created this two more divs. So in order to bring them side by side, let me style this div, upper part, upper container. I think the name is upper container only. The name is upper container. Yeah, I will Control C. Upper container H, Control V. Upper containers width I will be giving as 100% only as usual, and height I will be giving as 70%. For my let me give it a aqua for now. For myself, I want to understand, not aqua. Aqua will be like the background color only, I think. Let me give it as brown. It will look good. Sorry guys. Sorry, excuse me guys. Now, no, I want more actually. No, it's quite good, I guess. I want a bit more. So let me do it as 75%. 75%. I guess it's good. 75%. Yeah, it's that much that I haven't changed, but still It's good for me for now. Now inside this I have to make it as flex, right? Display flex, because I want the content divs inside this as what to say, side by side, right? So now I can't see them because I haven't given them any style. So let me style them. So left part I want more. That's why, because left part is more. If you see in the Flipkart page, see the left part is more, right? So I want the left part more. So let me give the left part as 70% width. Left part as width as 70%. I'm writing 70%. Height will be 100%. Background color I will be giving as let me give the background color as something good. Let me give this. Yeah, it's good, right? It's good. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. And now finally the right part. What's the right part? This is the right part. Control C, then hash, Control V, right part. The width should be 30%, and the height should be 100%. And background color I will be giving it as this one for now. They are for now temporary colors, right? Anything I can give, just for my understanding. Yeah, it's good. Now let me design the bottom part. What should be the bottom? The bottom container, right? It's the final part, the bottom container. Control C. So it's the hashtag bottom container. So in the bottom container, width I will be giving it as 100%, and height I will be giving as, so how much I have given the upper container. So I don't want to calculate. So for calculating there is a thing which we should do. We should know. I want the remaining part, right? I want this remaining part to be bottom, right? Bottom container. So what I should do, I don't want to calculate how much is left. So I will let CSS to calculate how much part it should be covered. So let me give it as, there is a function called calc. So what is the upper part? Its height is 75%, right? Controls, I will give it as 75%. Control V, but I have to minus it 100%. Wait, it will be better if I will write 100% space is mandatory, guys, minus 75%. Now see, now if I will give the background color as anything, let me give it as chocolate. Control S. Now let's see what happens. See, only the left part is covered, because CSS has automatically calculated the left part using this function. This is a new function, calc, and you can also calculate with different different units also. Like here is a percentage. There is not the mandatory that you have to calculate percentage minus percentage only. You can calculate percentage minus VH also, minus RM also, like this also you can do. But now we want percentage only. Generally this calc is used for different units only. I have used this in percentages because I don't want to calculate separately. I am a very lazy kind of person. I know many will think, but I'm really a lazy kind of person. So let me use. If I'm having the feature, why shouldn't I use? Because I'm a lazy, and I don't have any shame to accept that. Thank you. Now the things are, you have to enter these all, and that is very the hectic thing, to enter all the details line by line, right? For that reason, what I have done is I have already written it in the readme text. I am just going to copy this and paste this. Yeah, I'm not going to write again and again. So for that reason, I have written already. I am going to give this file to you also. Don't worry, you don't have to write so much. So at first, I am going to make these all divs, separate divs. These all separate divs, because these all are in side by side, right? So I need to make them divs in order to make in a side by side horizontal manner. So let me make them a separate divs. There are actually 4 divs. So I will be making in the left part as 4 divs. div divs. Now control plus alt plus, sorry, shift plus alt plus down arrow key 2 3 4. Yeah, now let me give them some IDs. ID, what I can give, about, then ID will be companies, anything you can give. I am giving this so that you can understand. Sensible IDs I am giving. Help and consumer. I have given consumer. Inside this I have to give one P. Inside the P only I am going to write the headings. Now you will be asking, why P, why not H? Why not the heading H1, H2, H3? Because I'm telling you, let me first do this, finish this. Now why I am not using H? Because as you can see that these all are not bold. If I will use H, those headings will get bolded. I don't want bolded, right? That's why I'm using P. So I have to just copy these things. So about, control C. In the first P, about, control V. Oh sorry, I have already written using P only. I just need to copy them. I haven't seen. Control C, just control V, control C, control V, control C, control V, and here also control C and control V, C and control V. Now see, I think they all have come here. Yeah, they all have come here. Now I want them side by side. So what should I do is, I should make left part as display flex. Display flex. So they have come side by side. Now I want to justify the content. Justify content as, what should I do? Let me give them a space around. It will be good. This will be enough, I guess. Yeah, that's enough. Now under this I have to give them their URL and li, right? This list I have to provide them, right? This list also I have written, pre-written. So I just have to copy and paste. I have written all the UL in the form of UL, and inside the UL and li I have given links. Now why hash links? Because I don't have to navigate to any other page, right? That's why I have given hash. If you want to navigate into any other page, you can give different links also, but I don't have any links to give right now because this is a landing page. I'm just building the landing page, right? I don't have to navigate to any other page. That's why I've given this only. So I just copy this. This is the first part. See, and then under this, Control V. Same goes for this. Control C. Control V, Control C, and again Control inside this Control V, and last part is Control C and Control V. Control C and Control where it gone? Yeah, Control V. Now see, you have got all the lists, right? See, we have got all the lists in their places, right? Now the thing is, I don't want this. I don't want the bullet point. So what should we do? Now we need to make our what to say? Now we need to make the list styling, right? So we have finished till this much, right? Now what we should do is we should at first remove this bullet points, right? Because in Flipkart, if I will see, it has been closed, sorry. So it has been in the Flipkart, you can see that there are no bullet points and this all are in bold, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to do let me see, in the footer, whatever the divs are, okay, sorry, not footer, in the left part, let it be left part, let it be more place, in the footer, whatever the divs are, inside the div, whatever the UL are, let the style of the UL be none. So let me take it as hashtag left part in the div, whatever the UL are, I want to give them as list style type to be none. Control S. Let's see what happened. So all the bullet points are gone. Now I want their underlines to be gone, right? We want their underlines to be gone because we don't want them. So now inside the UL, all the UL, I want all, right? UL LI A. I want what was that command? I forgot that command. Wait, let me one search. होता है कभी कभी होता है. It was text decoration. Yeah, guys, it was text decoration. Text decoration to be none. Now let's see. Certain lines are gone, right? Certain lines are gone. We don't want lines here, right? So, but I want them to be having the color white. Now they are having the color white, right? And there I want the font family to be, have I imported the font family? Yeah, I have. Where is the font family? What I have imported? Poppins I have imported. So have I used somewhere Poppins? I forgot. Yeah, I have used. So I want this one. Control C. to be there. Okay, V. Let's see. Yeah, now they're good. And I want them to be font weight to be 600. Now they will be a bit bold. Now they look good. And now let me just give them the what to say, their headings a good look, right, according to this one Flipkart website. But the thing is, their font size should be much smaller. So font size should be, let it be small. Yeah, now it looks good. Now I want to give the headings something. Let me see what are the names of the heading. Okay, they are P. So in the div, whatever the P's are, I want same. So whatever in the div, I want before this, because they are before that. Whatever the P's are, I want font family as same. Color I don't want. Font family as same. C, Control V. Color I want to select from there. Color I don't know actually. Let me select the color. What is the color? Okay, copied. Now I just want to go here and color to be this one. So S, I think it's good to go. Yeah. Are they bold? No, they are not bold, but they have a margin top, right? Let me give a margin. Should I give a margin top, or should I just what to say? Let me just go to the HTML. Should I give a padding in the left part? Will it be enough padding? Let me give a padding in the left part, padding top. That will be enough, I guess. Where is the left part? Padding top to be 20px. Let's see. 20p. But the height increased, so I need to decrease the height. No, then I need to give the margin only. So where should I give the margin? To each one of them. I don't want to give the margin to each one of them. So okay, bottom content I don't want. Left part, haven't I given a left part? So yeah, I have given a left part. Upper container, okay, a left part and the right part. So what should I do is, let me give it padding and let me decrease the height to 90%. I think that will be enough. %, become a bit more, so let it be 92%. Okay, I think that will be enough. 92, yeah, I think 92. Okay, 92.5. Yeah, that's good. Now the left part, I think it's done. So I don't want all the background colors in the left part, right? So left part, I don't want to background color. So left part's background color has been removed. But this is actually the content upper part's background color. I will remove after finishing the right part, right? Let me finish the right part quickly. So in the right part, I have to make three things. One is this line, and other things, actually fourth line, the upper part and the lower part. Right upper part is also there, right lower part is also there, right? Or can I do one more thing? I can do one more thing. I can let me take the epic pen. I can do one more thing. Please open my epic pen. Epic pen is very lazy. What I can do is I can take this whole thing as a left part. Okay, this whole thing as a left part, and this left part will be having one upper part, one below part. I think that will be a better approach for creating this, right? Let me do that. You can do anything by yourself because this is just HTML, CSS. It's not the logic. You have to think how to optimize that, right? I am going to take like that. So I am going to take it as a div id will be right. I am going to give first part, and same I am going to give shift plus or plus down arrow. I am going to give it as second part, right? So let me first design the first part, right? First part I am going to give, it doesn't consist of much area, this much only. So at first let me make the right part as display flex because I want them side by side, right? Then in the right part, what I should make is, here I am going to make in the right part, what was the name of that part? id, it was this one, right? Control C. So the right part, first part, I'm going to take width as 40%, height will be obviously 100%, background color, let it be something good. I'm giving it as brown. No, brown, I think this one already has a brown. I don't want brown then. Let me give it as pink. Yeah, now it looks good. Dark pink. I need a darker shade for good observation. Yeah, now it looks good, right? So now we have to create this part, right? Mail us and all. So I have already did that part. Let's target at first making this line. So how can we make line? So one step is so that we can give an HR, right? But I don't want to give HR because I have already this border, right? I already have this border. So what can I do is I can just make this wait, I can just make this height a bit small. I don't want the first part to be 100%, let it be 80%. Let me see how much it becomes. 80%. Okay, it became 80%. Now let me do one thing more. Where is that right part? Is display flex, right? I just want to give align item center, so it will come to center. Yeah, it has come to center, right? Now it is center. So now what can I do is I can just give the border width of this right part, border, not only border, width to be 2px. Okay, border width to be 2px. I don't think it will come because I haven't given any border color. Border, I want to give border color to be white. So now I have to give a border type. Now border style, I want to give border style. Why I am giving separately, I will be telling you. None, 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 and solid. I think this will do. Yeah, it has done. My live server is working so slow now. What should I say? Yeah, it has done. See, one white line has came. Can you see? Can you mark? See, one white line has came. This only I wanted. So what actually happened was, let me explain you. Normally what I give is border, I give like this, right? Border 2px solid black. But if I will do this, it will consider all the types of borders, all sides like this. But I want a border only one side, this one. That's why I have to give separately. So at first what I did, I gave the border width as 2px, obviously. Then I gave the border color as white. Then I gave the border style as none, 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 and solid. Why none, none, none? Actually, these are the four sides of the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Four-sided figure. So first none represents the upper part. The second none represents this part. The third none represents the bottom part, and the fourth none represents the left part. I want this part only, so the last one I have given as solid, the others I have given as none. So it starts like a it's a clockwise. It goes clockwise like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this manner, it goes in this manner. In this manner, it goes in this manner. So clockwise. So none, 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 and solid. I hope you understood. Okay. So I got this. Now what's next? Now at first I need a heading. I need two divs, right? Here I will be needing two divs. One is the upper div, one is the lower div. So div, I need two divs. Here I will be giving the IDs upper division, and here I will be giving as IDs lower division. Everything I have given like upper and lower only. Why this is open mark? So I have given the upper division and lower division. In the upper division, what it should be then? Let me give it as a width and the height, right? Let me, in the upper division, let's give it a width and the height. Control C. In the upper division, hashtag, let's give it a width and the height. What should be the width and the height? Width should be, I will be giving as 100% as usual, and height can be 65%. Okay, 65%, and border and background color will be blue or blue violet. Let me give it blue violet. Now it looks good. I want like this only. So now let me give the things. Right here from the readme I am going to give us a p called mail us. See, so p called mail us, and one more thing, that is the address. So another p, this one address. So I think I got that. Yeah, I got this. Now I have to make some changes in this, right? So what should I do? I should in the upper division I should give in the style I should give color as, not the color, no color I have to decide. I can give padding left as 20 px. I think that will be good. $20px, right? And let me reduce the width to 90%. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Now I want, so the thing is both has become p, right? So for this also I have to give them an ID, because mail, and here the ID mail address. Actually I have given the real address in place of mail address. It's a dummy address. I didn't have that much of patience of copying that whole address, that's why I have given the normal address. Okay, that's good. So it was mail. I am giving this mail, design that. So just I want the font family as this, and I want font color as this one. Let me click the font color should be the same only. Let me take from there only, this one, font color, C and Control V. This will be done, I guess. Yeah, it's done, right? It's done. Now I want some, if you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but you will be able to see. I want some margin bottom as 10px at least. That will be fair enough, I guess. Yeah, that's good. Now for this one I also need mail address. For the mail address, what I should do is, for the mail address I should be hashtag v, font will be same v, color will be white, and the font width will be 600 as this. What happened? Oh wow, this has become ridiculous. Okay, no problem. Let me remove. Why so much has become? Oh, I have not given the font size, that's why. Font size as small. It will be good. Yeah, that's good. Right, it's good. But the thing is, I want to bring this part a bit down, right? This part. So what should I do is, let me give it a padding of the left part. I give a padding the left part. somewhat more padding. Let it be 50 px. I want them to be at the same position. 50 px has become more down. 40 px at the same level. I want them. Hmm. 30 px. No, it's good. I think it's good. Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good. Now the thing is, I have to design the lower part, right? I have to design the lower part. Oh, now it's the time to do the lower part. So for the lower part, what should we do is, we should be doing social and this logos. Just go to inspect, and here are the logos, right? So we are going to, so the thing is, let me finish this, then I'm telling you what the thing is. The lower division, I'm going to keep it as readme as social. Control C. I'm keeping it as social. Control V, and then I'm keeping it as div, and the div ID will be icons, because they're images, right? And the icons should be img src. There are 3 icons, so 2 3. So let me copy the reference. I'm not going to again, I'm not going to bring the things up, right? Let me copy the references. Just inspect. Yeah, I got. Source, this is the source. Control C. I'm just pasting the sources here. I'm not downloading them anymore. Inspect. This is the source. Control C. Control V. Sorry, my mistake. Control C. Control V. Later I will be doing that. And last one is this one. Let me select Control C, and here Control V. Let me format the document. Yeah, now it's good. Let me see how it looks. My one, not this one. So only one has come, right? I don't know why. Let me figure it out. Only why one has come only. Control C. IMG. Why only one has come? Yeah. Let me see. What's the case? Yeah, it has come. So why I need to do like this, I don't know, but still, if I have to, I have to, right? Again, let's go to that part. Control C, and just I have to remove this till this one. Control P, and that's it. Now it will come, I guess. All the 3. Yeah, it has come. Now let me at first give the lower part the same dimensions as the previous one. Where is the upper division? Here is the low. Let me give at first. Width will be this one, height will be not this, right? That's the problem with me. I forget to copy the things, and I just need to edit in this part only. So just width is good. Height will be, I think, again I'm using calc because I don't want to calculate. Calc 100% minus 65% to this, and I want another color. Let it be orange. What happened? Why it hasn't done? Of adding, and that's why. That was the error, guys. So let me see. Yeah, now it's good. It has been done. I think there I should be having some space between. So I just have to give that a lower division per padding top as 10px. I think that much will be enough, right? And height I want as not this much. Height I want as let it be 70. That I know only 30% will be the answer. Yeah, now it's good. Now I just want the this one, P, lower division P, lower divisions P. I want to give some margin in the bottom. Lower divisions P should have margin in the bottom, at least 7px, if not 10px. Let it be 7px only. Yeah, good. Now the left part is done. So let me remove all the background color of the left part. Upper division's background color I don't want, and lower division's background color I don't want. Even the left part's background color also I don't want, because it's done, right? I don't want. Oh, I haven't done the social part, this one. See, I haven't done that. Let me do that. Now it will be good. Yeah, now it looks really good. Now only the right part is left, right? So what to do in the right part? How much have I taken for the left part? Let me see once. I think I took right first part as with 40%. Now I think I need the right second part. Right second part, nothing more much is there. Let's see, right second part should have at least width should be 60%, obviously, as decided 60%, and height as usual, height just same as the first part. What is the height for the first part? I forgot. Where is the first part? Left, right. I'm not getting it. First part only, know the name is lower division, right first part. Yeah, right first part. Right first part, I'm not getting it, guys. Right first part, let me search. Right first, yeah, I got it. So height is 80%. So how I searched it, control plus F, that's the shortcut. Oh, sorry, height is 80%, so I got it. And just I need to give some background color to be gray. Let it be gray. No, gray I can't see, then let it be orange. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Now inside that I have to keep this part, right? This part registered, and this part I have already saved in this part. Where is it? I'm just missing it. I think at the top. No, yeah, I got it. This one, control C, and here control V, and there also last this part. No, I think it's this part, control C, and here I'm going to give as control V, and ID I will be giving as office head, and this I will be giving as head address. Why I gave that? And obviously the things will be same as that one only. So office head ID will be this much. It will be the almost the same as the mail address. These are only control V, but the thing is, and the what is it? The office address head main part will be control C, control V. It will be same as the lower division. What was the name of that? This part, mail and mail address. Where is the mail address? So it is the mail will be this one, control V, and mail address will be this one. Sorry, that was a mistake. So done. See, I think I haven't saved in HTML only. Let me see. Yeah, it's good. It's looking good, right? Now I just have to give some padding inside. So what should I do? The right part, right second part, right? That's only the name. Right second part, I will be giving you some padding. Right first part, I had given some padding, right? Right first part. Again, I am not getting that. Again, let me search it. Right first part. Hide border. No, I haven't. At upper division. Okay, this one only, I think. So padding is this one, 20 px. Padding left, and padding, sorry, not here, actually here, second part, and not parent. Now it's good. Now it's good to go. Now just remove all the background color in the upper part and let's see how it looks. All the background colors from the upper part. Background color. I think background color, this one upper container, and that's good. That's good to go. See how it looks. It looks good, right? Now your task is to perform this one, this container. I'm showing you how the output should look, but you should be performing this container by your own, because till this the same process should be done, and this one is the easier part, much easier than the upper part. Let me tell you, just take all this in each divs, just take all this in each divs and do display flex. This is an image, I'm telling you, this is an image. Just inspect this and you will get the image source. This all icons you will get from the image source from the Flipkart website. So do that, and at the end of the video I will be showing you how it actually looks after performing the whole thing, right? So by mistake I think I have removed the lower part also. Upper container, lower bottom container also I have removed. Okay, I am giving background color as yellow pen I am giving. Yeah, so this part do that's your task. Do it by yourself. Okay, finally the footer will look like this after creating that, and I have given you the task how to do this, right? This will look like this finally, and it's I think almost same like this one, almost, not fully same, almost. Okay, so as I said, so finally I'm going to remove the background of this, the whole body. So let me remove the background of the whole body. I mean main, I think it was in main only. Where's the main? Let me search it. Yeah, finally I'm going to remove this background. Save, refresh. Yeah, now it looks good, right? It looks what is the main? Yeah, now it looks good, right? Now it looks good as Flipkart. Top's background I don't want. This one also I don't want. It's not visible, but still the things we don't want we should remove. So finally it is good, right? This is a full Flipkart website. I hope you liked this. So, and do like, share, comment and subscribe this channel in order to get updated with more projects. And my students, I hope you have all finished your task, right? Because the certificates depend on this task, right? So happy coding.